There's a bunny up ahead. Up there. And then there he goes. Off we go to the feeding benches. I wanted to show all my followers. Yay! There they are. Hi there, little brown cardinal. I know it's hard to tell, but he's up. I have a cardinal here, and I do have several other birds over on this bench as well, all waiting for me. And there's the ducks. Well, there's more of them. I just can't zoom them in and where are they at? Okay, there they are. Alright, the ducks over there. Good morning, Cardinal. Yes, good morning. And off he goes, flying down that way. The reason why, not only I see him, I see this one. There's another one here. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, they went that way. There, never mind. Oh, there they go, flying away. You have to be quick, these two will fight. The other one's over here. And off he goes, defending his territory. Cardinals over there.